Good morning, my dear parents and my dear children. In today's video, I am also going to repeat whatever is taught on the online class today. Previously, we have learned the words having A in them. My dear children, I have taught you A, E, I, O, U, which are the vowels, and these spellings are having A in them commonly. A says A, and so when you read these spellings, we read it as B-A-G, bag, R-A-T, rat, C-A-T, cat, M-A-T, mat, C-A-N, can, M-A-N, man, V-A-N, van, and B-A-T, bat. So whenever you go through A, you find that the sound of A is A. So we have practiced these words on the page number 32, and then there was a exercise which was having match in them. On another page we practiced E in these words: bed, red, pen, hen, ten, leg, egg, pet. So whenever you go through E, you find that E's sound is A. Ten, hen, pen, leg. So you see that E says A. So we practiced this page number 34 with these words and pictures. You have to see the picture, write the word down. But in the notebooks, I also told the children to write down these spellings, say and write them, and underline E because it is a vowel and we are learning the spellings having E in them. So after E, we have done the spellings with I. A, E, I. In the vowels A, E, I, O, U are the 5 letters which are vowels. And so I had given these spellings. This was done in the online class, and these spellings were given for homework to write in the 4-line notebook, say and write, and underline I and understand the sound of I here. So B-I-B, bib, I, E. B-I-N, bin, E. I says E. P-I-G, pig. The sound of I is E. Pig. Kid. Lip. Lead. Pin. Sit. So I says E. I told them to write down the spellings from page number 36 and practice it in the notebook and underline the letter I. And in today's online class, we have gone through these words which were having O in common. Now, when we read these words, log, dog, hot, pot, rod, top, ox, and boy, we see that O says O. Log, L-O-G. L says L, O says O, and G says G. L-O-G. D-O-G. Dog. H-O-T. Hot. O. The sound of O is O in these spellings. So when you read these spellings, you will find that the sound O gets cleared. Log, dog, hot, pot, rod, top, ox, boy. O, 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 O. And you find that it is very interesting. So I have given this work as homework for them to write in the 4-line notebook. They have to say the spelling and write and underline the letter O. So this is the work given for today, and go through all the letters, read them, keep your finger in the book. Like we started with A. So I will like the children every day to practice these words. Keep your finger Read the spelling and read the words aloud and try to memorize the sounds of these letters. So this is the way you have to do your practice at home. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. See you all tomorrow back again in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.